Hi everyone, in this video we will be doing some algebra revision suitable for GCSE Maths higher students. We'll be concentrating on solving quadratics and expanding brackets. The question is taken from OCR November 2017, paper 4, and it's question 13. Part A says solve x squared minus 6x plus 15 equals 3x minus 5, and it's a 4-mark question. We'll concentrate on part A first. So pause the video, have a go, and then I will go over it. Okay, so let's write out the equation on the left. X squared minus 6x plus 15 equals 3x minus 5. Right, a quick look at the equation will show you that there is an x squared term. There are also two x terms and two constants. So this is in fact a quadratic equation. And the way to solve a quadratic equation is to put it equal to 0. So if we come to the left, this means that the terms 3x minus 5 have to move to the other side. And the way we do that is by cancelling them. So we can write minus 3x to cancel 3x and plus 5 to cancel the minus 5. Of course, we have to come over to the left and do the same thing. So minus 3x plus 5. The right hand side is simple because everything cancels out. 3x, take away 3x, 0, minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Just put a 0 there. On the left hand side, the x squared term is by itself, so we can just write x squared. Then it's minus 6x minus 3x, which gives us minus 9x. And then 15 plus 5 gives us 20. So we've achieved our objective. We've put the quadratic equation equal to 0. So the next step is factorizing it. So we will factorize this equation. And the way to do this is we want to find two numbers that multiply to make the constant 20. And the same two numbers must add to make minus 9. A quick check will convince you that minus 4 and minus 5 work. So minus 4 times minus 5 gives you 20. And minus 4 plus minus 5 gives you minus 9. So we can write x minus 4, x minus 5 equals 0. To solve this, it's enough to make one bracket equal to 0, because then we don't care what the other one is. We still get 0. Or we put the second bracket equal to 0, and then we don't care what the first one is, because we get 0 anyway. So looking at the first bracket, we can write x minus 4 is 0, and that means that x equals 4. And we look at the other bracket, it means that x minus 5 is 0, and so x equals 5. So the final answer is x equals 4 or 5. How are the marks distributed? If you got the simplified quadratic equal to 0, it was 1 mark. For correctly factorizing the equation, it was 2 marks. And for the final answer, it's 1 mark. So 4 marks altogether. And that's the end of the question. We can move on to part B. And the question says, expand and simplify. 2x minus 1, x plus 5, 3x minus 2. And the question is worth 4 marks. So, pause the video, have a go, and then I will go over it. When you have triple brackets, it's better to multiply out 2 of the brackets first, simplify, and then multiply by the 3rd bracket. Of course, it doesn't matter which 2 brackets you start with. I will start with these 2. And I will use a grid. So we write out x plus 5, 3x minus 2. We now have to multiply everything that's in the grid. So 3x times x, 3x squared, 3x times 5, 15x, minus 2 times x, minus 2x, and minus 2 times 5, minus 10. We can now write out all these 4 terms on the left. So we write 2x minus 1, x plus 5, 3x minus 2 equals 2x minus 1 and then 3x squared plus 15x minus 2x minus 10. The middle 2 terms simplify. So this is equal to 2x minus 1, 3x squared, and then 15x take away 2x leaves us with 13x, then minus 10. Right, now we have to multiply this bracket by 2x and then multiply it again by minus 1. And we can use a grid for this one as well. So we write 3x squared plus 13x minus 10. And then over here, 2x minus 1. Multiplying everything, we get 2x times 3x squared, 6x cubed. 2x times 13x, 26x squared. 2x times minus 10, minus 20x. Minus 1 times 3x squared, minus 3x squared. Minus 1 times 13x, minus 13x. Minus 1 times minus 10, positive 10. So we can write out all of these 6 terms on the left. So equals 6x cubed plus 26x squared minus 20x minus 3x squared minus 13x plus 10. We simplify now. There is only one x cubed term, so we can just write 6x cubed. There are two x squared terms, so we can write 26x squared minus 3x squared plus 23x squared. There are two x terms, so we can write minus 20x minus 13x, giving us minus 33x. And then finally, plus 10. We write plus 10. So this is the final answer. How are the marks allocated? If you multiply two of the brackets out correctly, it's 2 marks. If there is at most one error in the final answer, it's 1 mark. And for a fully correct answer, it's 1 mark. So this concludes the question. I hope it was helpful. Well done for making it this far. If you have any comments, just leave them below. Feedback appreciated. Thanks for watching.